Hey, amazing teachers! Let's clear up the differences between summative and formative assessments and why both are crucial in language education. Formative assessments are like your day to day check ins with students. They're designed to provide feedback during the learning process, allowing you to adjust instruction based on student needs. For example, using a quick exit ticket at the end of class to ask, "What's one new word you learned today?" helps you gauge understanding in real time. It's low pressure for students and gives you actionable insights on where to go next. On the other hand, summative assessments happen at the end of a learning unit and are meant to evaluate overall student learning. Think of them as your final exams or big projects. One concrete example is assigning students a cumulative writing task or oral presentation where they demonstrate everything they've learned over a term. While formative assessments help shape your teaching, summative assessments measure what students have retained. The key is balance. You can't have one without the other. Now, if you're juggling both types of assessments and looking for ways to manage your classroom more efficiently, check out our dynamic discipline course at mm.us/discipline. It's packed with strategies to help you create a well-structured, positive classroom environment, which makes the assessment process so much easier. Happy comprehensible input.